Everything you go do, you better home asem. But the man no muabem. Yeah, they say we yeah. In fact, today is the yesterday you dreamt of. And your future begins today. Tisha says sit down now. MTN, yeah, wow. Sir, Yanko Pombo, I was done with Jack to 2 years. Now, who did the hour and number was an abiaquishim? A abebu, say, Yenin Yedi, Yadibisi. And if I be see the obey any Salvatore MTN shares in EB, they are 75 pesos per 75 pesos per share. Now, I saw try minimum of 10, which is 7 cedis 50 pesos. Wait, use mobile money. Momono. Now, what they are told. Bomadiana Tobisa Boa and Toby Briguho. Wait me the no much as a MTN crime with Chafao. Wait me some fast one so Muama the Genchirima. But a num say said MTN ya quay him near Jumano. Obiaja to Mr. Mobile Man Nidia no one at so. And Tibimunson nam which for can be so dear Manfosica. Who to me froze oh free MTN. Persia boa every near DB. Na upin number near saying Persia confirm. Mr. Mother under no circumstance. In fact, a secret. Then can't you be away? Baby, I bet you are going to your friend MTN for 100. Just dial 100. Maybe say almost one a friend one ana. On better Kiama, or say, not say, as I'm for near 2 or more. Why, and tell Yenisa. That's why you say MTN everywhere you go. But EcoBank mobile app no yet Juma. In fact, so far we have more than 1 million digital customers. Hooray! Hooray! Yada was say uji tum. No be kind digital customers no. Unya maya ye twen o brantem. Get connected. Download the app from the Play Store and say App Store. And that's simple. Dial *770#. Put them. EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank. For Sikabesi and Nigeria. And up I would say, and I would Uber Moya Chow. So enjoy riding, all right? Uber, dear them. Uber. Download the Uber app, no? UBER. Or download or Play Store and I say App Store. And one no bit media or that car, baby, I will be. As I say, we are saying why you're so simple, eh? It's getting so simple. Intimate Yankechi. Tetenu and not my jama dear wakamu, me hunu no. like I said one kasa na mehwa na ebia bibi na ejeje o menya wade waka mu bio abra wo hu no efise Uber de driver na number eka phone so the phone ni details nyina and so you can call back. Uber makes your day. Join Uber. Wait to make the Vodafone cash at Chia Abra Uber no. Vodafone cash say Yama Hotaba. You pay 3 Ghana cedis each month and you can send money as many times as you wish for free. You have 3 Ghana cedis pay, let's send this scanner Sabra until here. It's not all. So withdraw Sika every Vodafone cash as well. You pay just 1% of the withdrawal amount. Wamadiana enjoy. Just dial *110# now register Vodafone cash. Beka home. The future is exciting. And one year drew mono ready. Wabeka ye home. Asampa FM Father's Day Fanfare Ebaso. 17th June 2018 ewo kokomlemle multimedia yedan yanim he ya car park ho ye be hase awia no akopem se obebre ebe cancel chia live shakers band Adom to 4p eba be perform am ye feel live band ye be to be ne ya to be ne ya strongest dad contest papa nso awuntumi mo diaper change no ye be ye no so ho challenge to be faster you know between we near HDP. And so get yourself in blue. Any blue color be a shade of blue, nebra. Ebeye there. Escort security services. And a ferro roof tiles. For Mother Roma. Dress code. Blue, blue, blue. World Cup no obetumi atie commentary radio commentary no multimedia na world rights no Joy FM Adom FM Asempa FM one crying Nshira FM Love FM ewo Kumasi show your radio station now person for commentary ni bia ye ne won kontokwa na mom be ka kire yen ene ye ni ho nkomom ye nyintum ansa yes I lawyer for no be ba so to your name is into funny freezer. And Brown say no in talk until you can bon kaya and fan quite tell. The same young couple is to be a new what tell through hey what you no. Yeah, catch show. Samson and one movie online content it true Zeno radio for. Or why is you dial call to listen. Yes, Remo. You need money a UBS Munya sad and why. When friend say piracy. Abom kokonacho but tell me mobi open on him say we are coming to catch you. Joy FM Beauty and Bridal Fair 2018 Airbaso Thursday 28th June to Sunday 1st July. Accra International Conference Center 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Ayabra. Open inquiry via no afre 0246 477783. Brana Bibia Enkoye Bebrebe Ebra son say ye dem pense mu ebra o Shene so sem pense mu ayede ebra we GCB Bank, your bank for life. For Sika Betu Yenchen, Circle Branch, no, Koya, Abawai. Until Buffer will be to me to Sika Betua. Cindy Rice, and more Ed there. Cowbell Vita Rich, and Omnia Papa. And a Progress Savings and Loans. Brane Progressive. Neko Enim. Richard Touchiments, Ajegwa Central Region, Secretary NPP. Bernard Alote Jacobs, Uncle Alote, Central Regional Chairman, NDC. Eja David Pra, Eastern Region Communications Director, NPP. On one side, San Kasama National Service Scheme. Chief Hamilton Biney Nixon, communications team member in DC. When for ya jegwa, ye be din komani ahwe the state ya yaresabia hodo bet any one nipa wu ewu and other matters. Abajafo agwa dada eninte yede pensem no bro na yeguso anso utimi hwe e wo Facebook ko Adom 106.3 FM na wetumi atie e wo ho Facebook anase YouTube nso obetumi ahwe yen e wo ho me nkona me ma abajafo akwaba anglalote ma chen
ya menia
empombo ko de
Ojuda mbanyangu mama de chipachi nsha na ye yimpe razina Christ.
Amen.
Amen.
We thank you to collection. I preach area no.
Yana na Abraham ozi nyamesum. Jehovah nyamesum zebayin. Nsupu obonuma o say blessed be thy name mighty Jehovah. No one.
Okay.
That was his life. Nti say Christo nya. A sword fi wumpum kim. Nshanka wuzin Dama de chipachim razimada was ansana wo normal praise for ake
Uncle David Fra machen
mina govi me da wase me jodo pa
empombo ko de
mpocho nyame adom
mo service so national service bi ekoye
national service nyame adom ti bibia rekoye ehwe ora Yusuf ene nana bi enyuma worobo ene gift your warrior bibia rekoye papa na kofi minim de ebe chia minue na so
chivanye
nyo ebe chia no ebe ko chia no na anwonwade bi rekodo nyame boa weekend ewo ekropon akuapem
okay
Presby College of Education will the 170th anniversary 170th the oldest institution in the whole of West Africa apart from University. Inti President Alcohol Colleges of Education na obekwa ye announcement kakabu ho obeteni the teacher education e Ghana. Inti Saturday mankasa me invite me nua by ne anchor na wankasa ye na no yenko ekropon ekrapem na yenko boa Presby College of Education what to teacher for ankasa and binum ye ministers binum ye MPs binum ye chese high commissioners ambassadors former president Nanado ne papa kra no okochado ho kakra ntina chede o school a wenyin papa
ye ba ne abeta amwachi ai Chivani
invitation is answer papa and chechefu ana school a cheche sebi peyifu ma won so ababo mo ma na ko nyemze oneze sebi ya school no so when people e contest pa o invite all there ko Sunday obaye mbo awo da ide o da mo ma na dachi na munia na mpere mbisa ndo oka obo drive national service pick up na de na lad na invitation ye de ma awu compare amazo boko na he be ne aba
makata de ka ai ma cha
gobi
tiba o design efe o design efe ba top na efe ba oh efe ba
that matter the our presidential ambition
agwa
oh no say odura ye be yi obi na no apel
engine na moko ye de but your pharmacy here
all right touchments okay mama na kwaba I step out kakra this year
kwamna dan carrying
oh ya kwamna dan kam ya
and come on ye dey shase anopai this sad development 70-year-old man the etrono neire
You go hospital back 7. Ni nyina penny ho. Ti yedu Lokman hospital no. And obi catcher you say doctor wo ho. Obehye dem ho te car mu nti yankwa frɛ no. Nurse ni de yo hu yan apɛ. And ko wura dem ho no kapu no tum. Ena me ba no kwa frɛ doctor no bai. Na kwa che doctor say hwe me kunu ma me wai pa achew. Wasimpeni ho. Me say doctor, me srew. Sabre ni po na metika mu amikura mikunu. Nti me si form. Eko doctor nanim. Eko kutu ye pare chew. Say doctor me pa wo chew. Hwe me kunu ma me wai na wanwu. Me pa wo chew doctor. Me srew. Osma, sorry. Na mpeni ho ntimi ya hwe. Afa wona ro wa ka na me zu. Na me si pa doctor chew pa. Wanya wo hwe. Afa me ko ka na mo wie bie wo no. Na me kunu no wawu.
Jim FM.
A very sad development anopai and ye bedi ho enkomo. Uncle Lotima menshase emfamfru so on this.
Very sad.
Yeah.
Mincha etefu nyala. Na finfin manto mufo. Oya rewo pa de masem besi. Enwa obekede and other politics but ni baby so na politics abam kakri bi kiti bi politics a yem fan shahoba yem fan kansam yem fongu obi nanyi mase but as Ghanaians are amanfo wo confidence wo political parties mi there yem to abamen na yemra ne yemma nyamanye nyama re kwacho kakra. Sometimes we need to take the blame. Ami, Messi, the Minister for Health should be blamed for such situations. In the sense there, say one more appointment. Ne a catering office, no, what do you there? I was the officer, ne better. Ne insane from ne enkuko hospitals. Where Juma was our one. Or they make sure that as minister and my hospitals are always why equipped that and nurses in why motivated that and doctors where university this is why national service what it if and hospitals be one yeah doctors all the work and hospitals the equipment or what. You should be abreast with your office duties. On your there, a politician and a woman post na akatra office. You don't visit any of your quasi institutions or Osher Wu Ministry asset. Departments are Osher Wu Ministry asset. Now with the above from one directors na the DBA offices are. You are bound to have such situations. You are bound to have such situations. And it is a wake-up call for the Minister of Health. Complaining there, all the 7 hospitals are working. What's a winyimpa? Can that be true? We don't need to set up a committee. No committee for abonum tine nyamanyama na pano obo wie no wa cost Ministry of Health. The minister needs to marshal himself and his the directors of our ministry to go down and inspect the various hospitals that we have throughout the whole country. That is why you are a minister. You don't sit in the office there. Otherwise, maybe mami nidi na wabe daisy, but OCP ambulance for ye but me. Bibi, and I must recommend government for it. There may be there in some. If you keep costing bankana, most of the accident-prone areas are over from Cape Coast to Accra. Abunda we see Red Cross and there ambulance buildings. Nazi ebia so Bibi Kobana. Then there will be that readiness to assist. Yes. It's one of the things that needs to be done, because say nya what to abamo neighbor power no one more appointment you are supposed to serve your people. You are not supposed to be in the office to be served. That is the problem the current minister is facing.
Why you think so at the office?
Wa shede ni rounds or why at there walk rounds. The last time yet the walk around only Greater Accra Regional Hospital more region. On all quite no key plaga President Mama or commission who you know in show. That's all that we know. And if I be some day, if from Buno Wako, has he visited 37 hospital? Has he visited the police hospital? Look, both 37 and police hospital.
Definitely, I know as a new minister,
1 year plus. I've got 2 years.
Meaning said I can't say on authority say be our court or but per orientation yeah then over a new minister you visit some of these things.
That is precisely what I'm saying. Now, Mr. Share the project are yeja or 37 projects are yeja or police hospital and I can visit those projects. I'm a team will evaluate the project now when the project is going to be completed. You were the University of Ghana Medical Center since a politics a bit when you find the generator when there are generators there all these things you know. I am confusion. Is this man serious? When we are praising other ministers, you should ask yourself, abandoning a minister, who praising army, won't praise. And so I mean, the small little atom of politics are in there. The minister for health should wake up. Should wake up. This is not about NDC, MPP. He should wake up. It's about the health of Ghanaians. And every government, you are responsible for the health of Ghanaians because they voted you to power. That's more.
Like I said, the number of beds are any centers is not a matter. Say, Oko Hospital and ya turning say a why and this has been a idea.
Tell why is it the Ministry of Education? Say what's there? Adom FM, a publication there. The school when you offended school chairs for what try as what do. A billion exams are warrior or try on lap do. Why? There very quickly. When the Ministry of Health cast no will load desk with this now was required. Why? Then it means that the Ministry of Education is responsive. I think most of the thing until I'm there say I will anchor ne at the news media houses where them publication or telecast some of such things are you quickly need to go there. But an example no University of Ghana Medical Center was what? Every day when you come University of Medical, look at all the facilities, 600 and something beds. We and enjoy age man. And Japape won't save in a life. What I say is a Messiah. What sacrifice in a life to expose the inefficiencies and deficiencies in the Ministry of Health.
I got a tema question about so yeah. Open David from my member so.
Many coffee.
Yes sir.
Medicano, mame fa in chiakese. Emma wete fuina na membo Mura Kofi Befi Free Zones Board Mbona Abado pa Ejuma Oriye Eshe Hassan Tampuri MPA Ejuma all born wo Eshe Yenu Ase John Chese ena ministers nso no bebre most about 90-95% e deliver o ye ejuma Eshe ura napo Eshe health minister and penifo akase wo ye ejuma pa ti me bon we na on abado now we tefu ina na me communicators me di kan Presby College for one anniversary nti na no ye beko ho menua no o kasa no se bia na me de abanka na me beko nti ono no bia onyafu a the when me de na me de beko no me atena front na ye na yakọ Steve Van na yakọboa Presby College for asemi oyareho papa odikano ma menfa ya akokese pa emma ebusuafo no na enka de oyasema enye de otu obiara o Ghana ha obiara amena wo enye de otimi otu obiara nti se watu anase wesi obi ni fia ya sama oye areho nti ye ina no ye bema ebusua no yakọ na quickly no answer na meba onkralote o kasa no o sinka onye da oye odi politics so o the politics kitikiti bi beba ba him na so asama o kai no ni na ye politics wanka ebusuafo kra wa ma won yakọ kra chede politics na no ene de o kitikiti bi no waka politics no be 90% nti yen so no ye be kan kakra. Minister for Health Honorable Kweku Agyeman ehwe enyuma origin wo Ghana ha minua minister ne baye no wako virtually all the regions akosra regional hospitals in some cases no okọ etifi mantem kran okọ health centers minister bi wo ha oye adwuma na ompe the media hype no na hwe adwuma Honorable Agyeman orobon wo ministry ho minia ebia okase no si onim anuntra okọ Ridge Hospital no wako severally more than twice or thrice na okọ ye no so no nyama oye de hospitals ni onya no ena okọ hwe de ampa dem nyame owo ho anada one ho ena de one ho no so no oyusu ono ankasa ne mandate as a minister odo boy ema wonyan nti enye da okọ na okotu plug keke ewo ho nti ebia de am den de oso no onim nti onim dia ye de be che no but Honorable Agyeman orubo adwuma wa police hospital wako Kolebu wako Ridge wako virtually all the regional hospitals koforudua oba mankasa ni wo ho nti me pacho o me de esine enim dia me ka kire de papa no orubo adwuma asema wesi oya reho na eyi kire de o sede yan health professionals no ehwe nurses doctors any management no or there was sorry Indian politicians no politicians ne yeka ho de yen na na ye de yes sorry na ye hwe apomudin nsem ho obebanden na wode yarfo beba hospital na obi be ka kire ne de bed ni honti no won fa nko assuming without admitting crowd bed ni ho ntimpo a abadina osede woye osede won first aid bi na ebia kona bia in teacher education you fra bibi improvisation. You need to improvise where there are no real or teaching and learning material JBB na represent intina you fra bibi prototype or dummies no or secondary or second class material na be a team ayede ashishe na nimpa the same thing about health professional we train one work at them bibin eyin ho edenya substitute ntina sometimes say ebi nimpa na ran bo say nya glucose event the ORS na de enchin na ye bibi nti dam nyame na ede oho na wentim wanye ema dem asemi esi as a government oya tsama ohian pa nti na minister the director general one set them committee and clarity onye obi anim oye unforeseen issue obi anim the madi obesi nti committee ni ne the wo behwehwem ampara de na hospital na beds ni ho as of that time na na beds ni ho a enyama ben na adbade na yebetima yema etima kevo quickly nti na aban on the bed ankasa enya dia osanyare bed say hospital ho na bed ebia wo ho a on kete onye enough de yenya ehu endur ede nya well trained nurses inti na abani aye na adwen de enyama ebitide endur ne nyama obeboa ma yenya ayaresa no yegudu ayere eba even health insurance anka hotel kasa no ndo sheda oyedin worko no na health insurance why ne basa ami 2011 me call tinkon na health facility bi wo ho me hear them me the health insurance was 1G because abani ontua wonka me no ka say aban 1.2 billion na wode no e ka no aban etuani mu 1 billion Ghana cedis inti dama di anada tetekwashi memorial hospital anada na me wo ho anada anansa woji mebusuani me woji me specifically me woji no to ho abadu no si me wie no me ko jindru ni up and down no me wie no wodi 25 Ghana cedis and now bill na wodi mam no 25 Ghana cedis na me say hey sana health insurance oye na danko kufuado woni mana na danko kufuado de ye bonabado mami bi mi hia no ena ono so onyem ena bisande wumpom de na ono so fi aso baby ekrobi safro o se papa me free bill bi a wodi amam de mintua 480 cedis am say abadinta o se me health insurance na me say ehu de ankra tojo kopno ena endis for wada dawo no ankra to no health insurance o me will health insurance 25 cedis NB ekotua 480 cedis apart from strengthening of health insurance no ye the ambulance system no ehu how ayaye no you see an ministry no and ambulance service they cost almost 200 ambulances aba oman yimu a procurement process no ogudo into Ministry of special development and initiative and other ministries no Ministry of Health kabum near the them ambulances yaba ambulance or what ebia ni people no the taxi mo and na what the neko into ebia inside ambulance no your paramedics wo ho a wo betima there obetime aboa ema dem nyame na no no atwa abano ere na family na the mekan dem health professionals no so no nurses doctors and that the mamembo tetekwashi nurses no hona bado ye duru wa hwe hon ahokeka ebinum yade yenka no kwa ebinum so womo nti wona womo no no oye calling profession or today teaching anya ready a menko chade nya de mebetime go bi ne ba ma chede we collapse kra the man to na doctor na anya ready a na doctor bi wo membeda mebo hospital there was a plan no offer also me today ada okobo blows no they atu no awotun ehu de moja erba dem nipa no
buzi na be na dem na hoye mahama brodo dem na hoye no nti me de kan de abano ore na afem de enyamani na no UG hospital dem de mini attachments meja amana na waka baby ewo ho but as a government no we are doing whatever possible to ensure health delivery is very key on our agenda. And was echo millennium development goals now.
Yeah.
Health and education has been prioritized into because obienim there apomudin and addition on the a fundamental human right or obiane right there or be school and obiane right there obenya access to good medical care inti anya dia abani all to inform intina na danko kufuado me no kase no or teacher nursing training allowances and this fu betwem no anu tina abani dia ba ehwa ntina abani dia ba so that health professionals no will be well motivated and well trained na when team aide with team wa behwen nti abane gudu a ore dia o say
me da sepi ma me nko eye chimane
no hwe ka
eyi bokwa me imuso ne wa a young boy we elementary form 2 mama kwa mama akogwe metawa na mu de mba obo gongon doru bonyin we be jiro kokonkaka wa bo kokonkaka oye wan ka hwe na ze ada we bonyin zo abade no ye ozo me bede wo hu de amene mu bede wo
How asema elbeke chada awuna anka hwe no ekasa no itina adu akasa do example
magama se mewie se bamka obere bra pero me hu de o wa bim
na in some na make an onya no
mama kacho
health insurance
wala wona native na mama no ofiaso wa ehu kro ya bobo
Mrs. me can suffer
Mrs.
Suffer meba 480 ankra allocation
oba wajuma na aka
erisan manfia
Mrs. oye de wubonya na la onyi hweka
na me
that's my memory chief mind so chief
Gobi
you heard this development do baby health issues in fact yen nyina possible victims
exactly
and you know ba na the policies remo ya na me feel uncomfortable but then as a systems no the akwa ya no oyi politics ni free mu a na asen akwa ya den kwan bi so but I believe say for once yen share because akwa you who ye could have been any of us yen here say we party we nipa na we party we nipa what will happen e beto and so emphasis issues no na chief
Kofi is sad and of course I no pay for the purpose of my men far away freedom na minchia before me we share na we take funyinara na for them discussion into bamam kwana ma TV station bi amete and komodu which is UTV and of course nyina papa na barakasa na papa ne ba ne hu da reho a hyenema na nsama orkan nyina ne chede services are now expected to obenya no na the hospital order what the mahono nsan kanda
anopa ye ne kasa in fact when tumi kra ne enwie na asem no ayire ne so the hospitals they moved one after the other and
Kofi the masemi ya kan is impede the politics babam no no question me the corona ngasa politically yenyina yeshia yekoto aba yi o mampanyi mesimo beya ono obahwe na watentene dwumaja horo na waye faso amahen enti said the masemi banase yekade yebeyi na fima na chere yenye ready there about solve problem you see asem no sido na the reason why okojina omampanyi na abo anu nye de omampanyi no wotuma odibe yawo and odibe yemi and odibe yi techi and now odibe yi chamalote and amenu ya brade o muhwa wonyimdi nti kwa hana ka edwuma na Kofi what is happening in this country nye de politics na ye chobo he mesi mo ba ya obo hu de misu na migina ha emi na mo woda mbroni emi na maye da madi no mampanyin no yakupon ya adoma wa ma ogina bi na kwa kogina says de ma onye politics and what we can do in there what we can do in there yeze no kwa no bodugwa
sure
mesi mo ba ya you know there every offering in a region the hospitals are ho your regional ministers ofi bill to bill no health directors na nasefo nyina regional minister when you won share in common ana teach me boy
that's true
yes one money briefing as to what is happening you see what is happening now in there politically no nyimpa dodo na wenya positions na what on what they do in there jumadi no wo hoda down na ekwa na wa fa to wenyim na hwe processes procedures are whether you juma fitting then we follow up because obi kwa ku to na morning pon ahwa oso na adwena ebinu mo be there obaka it's a fact that is why I had a big problem when I heard the president Nana Akufo-Addo we Dr. Anyaidi. I don't. The man, I've met him a couple of times, because me used to ne
Spa
the spa hono. Long time. 2000 and something.
Jim FM.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
But Papa ni command me ni di personally no. Na me hwe dwumadia ori ye wono ho. That time na no ho baby we see special rooms say be o man panyin na ne beje chifu na ade wo bapa wo benya baby wada ko. That time na ni nyina on ye. Na nkomo aye di no mu hu na oyobi a wa ye krado do pedo ye de oye bibi. And I didn't the man or the baby and it in a bunny bay. Na wo hu nyimti o wonu mu. Na wo gidi do ka won ho so. Na wo manage ma. Ende kokolebua. Na segwa na wa atwe nkrofurusu. Ye wo nkrofu a wo yi hu ne dia politically won so wo tu won nkrofu kasa de he ye twobo ye dey. Ene ye wo nkrofu so a wo ye adwuma a waranka se be feel de adwuma na oyen o de sesareba. Enti se watwina segwa narare nkonke gina bebi nka de yinu momba kasa. But na nkrofo ye de wor kasa. Why? Asemi esha ye ko mampanyin do. Na so mampanyin so wa fa mpanyin fa onara so we competent. It was the jumadini once na wa pada because mampanyin can't be everywhere. It is all for being as a health minister. Of will be no education, of will be no interior. I expect the challenges are all holding in hand. Is that what is happening? Minua pra na NPP na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Wama yeta se the Ghana wanted to wapansa. But if you listen to Papa Enebe, ena mbese so am na yere hu. Workers na it tells you what my information grandma ye hu there. Apro wa wo kwen we hu den jama PI there. Why basa? Na onya dakor na da menze or to say na onya dakor so na yedi be sisi da menze na but anamuntu ayirutun no bechre. So what I'm trying to say here and there, it is about time a political head of a particular institution. It's about time people bring change. It's about time people will get on the toes and make sure that it is about time you start querying why AI a day. Why AI a day? It is hard. In fact, many times why them Munir Pride came. It is not only about Sebi one buying or but it's in Sebo who there minister be to anamono ruko bibia. Naturally, Juma di fufu be there or ba. It's difficult then once some trophy or report to my heart today. Ebia friend within 3 months and ebia abandon soifu be an minister be wa boy institutions be do. What shall I say? Or kako Juma ja warrior. Look, them hospital here, Aba hospital na mamino Papa no go we.
Lekma.
And you think it's only Lekma?
No.
Now Lekma cried in you say na say road no was o fadona on your hospital. And one time I hear oba nitiri becha. Because kwano cry a bomb. Basa. Ono nanche.
A friend becha.
Ayo. Kolebu ha check John up and down I hear na position na different. Kolebu hayara. Kolebu hayara. Kohona kore. In 1 hour about what the fool. And so if we sit down and say that it is not about politics, then we are not ready because look, Sikana oboko home or what I'm hearing politicians and I was one will be decide. That's what I say.
Yeah.
It is difficult that you hold it direct. Them you pay them why man you pay. But Kofi say ishena ne difficult to bafoma. You there say the madia we see on your first time. Share nyimpa host ano nya branch and kasa. Onya branch and kasa we ne hu there asam na abo no. Ba na asam o kan yin there say yes ye bu ahoma tum there nkrofo mfre pa.
Ye bia ahoma no na stories no. anɔpa yi na just
hwɛ enne na mebɔ nurse nyi bi na abado nurse nyi bi na abado mti chirobi mara meko hospital 37 mekaya surgery ho me da ho for 91 days atwa meka na sa na nyimpa na nurse fu na woyɛ mu adwuma no obi wo ho nurse nyi bi ba mesi dabi kona ko frasi mesi bram because mesi ma besi abanu besi atono bo na wa ye wukuru ne ho adwuma no wara ba hu na yi wa ye krado do oboko n'enyim obi so wo ho a onyim na anopatututu odo brown su show anopatututu no ba no hwewa na webu onyinchwa na okọ a friend so at time open obede obaba ahia na akọ report ama ni panyin na ni report na dika ma panyin so na ndama bi oyenti ahia obaye kasa na ra kasa ahwirensi but said the masemi si no fi hon you started look in 6 years ban kofi onye dakro and hospital okrom ha no doso why there kwa abrichira and why them panyinfu dodo na obi no ho ka ofu plan kwa abrichi because a higher obo charge uska ibotua. Look, private hospitals ni kra waji ska but then agasa kra eko ho asabi waji ska nature ndema bi no wo ye cheron because on ofi de we hufu na anti how well be yefu no onye problem that's what they say we hufu na anti awala what we would do start baby my kra was nyipa we do e man be 30 minutes obo wunti
because uchi
pay attention to that person.
I said there was one hospital drew ho obisa say o papa no wedi saying o say 70 o say penny ho and the way or the age you know a man answer no na I say oh 70 there say
70 do fashion do wo onya hwenti say pa no akakra one reserve bi na ketesi na branch bi
serious
but inyim ahumezi man nitin enti go fit the truth of the matter nye there today mesi ma chair marking the misemi a osi na say health minister on two hu anamonu mpo action bi a what about tugwa and then it also stops from the presidency on so afuto a like I told you about these regional ministers in Semo today. Look, people go on your appointment they bring that they don't bring anything different on the table. Ma order hona tete na waye na ona na waya into honor be enyami na mba be ye bibi no bi aka da bi. And I say appointing authority no so no say binum ready dwuma na say dwuma no ready ehwehwem because look intelligence nyina o aban ni sem enti kofi say dwuma bi na ye na mepede mi yiwe mepede mo kwase na mko head indeed me ye o ya da ye won no kwando de pede nzam asesa another we interest in na ye I will know. And you know, it is about time our leadership. Yeah, but started there. Now, most especially, I think the Nankananado or Beshada Martinez. Sentini there, on your payina campaign ordinary power was about corruption and incompetence. And if that or about power, one amountunetun, we should see some traces in that.
Yeah, you are seeing it.
But what we are seeing in there, first in history in the moment, appointment now after 1 hours were competent. You know, it has never happened. The year CEOs 6. And I think that if he thinks that they are not serving the purpose of although you that I don't have a problem with that. But the problem here and there, you can't tell us there it was squad that were about baby papa my Nancrophone ban now first test na edba mo na gasansebia won nyina wa abombo nti twetwe ase on ma wasam American there become some inconsistency bam along the line enti ye besre asama wa toyetim yi de what ndama fufuru bi ba na aba no wodo ye ndisi aba no nye bida offer competence in a corruption the menka because we feel say ye ka obaye ntokwa na Ghana fa wo ha nyina obia wa wote nyina obia nyi morokodo na the fact there nyimpa be ye adwuma ma wa ye mfaso oda ma o ma ne de ye besre America kra waki wonder na di ne hu de asama wo kan no woriye onye da ma de bia ye kakasa Ghana fo wote here politicians na ewia pe wo beka the Turkish chip
Meda CP menko Richard Techi Mensa so Central Region NPP Secretary Abraham Chano when you call memo akwaba
Kofi Mejodo.
Mentio.
Yo, Kofi.
So, Obanonia Kola Natas.
Oh, Chief. Kofi Mejodo, me chiete for our tea. Adom FM no pay. Can I worry or Finfimanto? Kofi 2016. Ghana for Twabama and Sissa. Nancy son. Wabim. More Quina chances and already. Share man pay no buy. I feel number busum a seeing. It was your mother talk him, but the fanciful will be there. Upper as we know cocoa. Say, a President Mahama, Nanendisi, Wado, Nado, Wado, no troca. Man, Nado, Bapama, or there, challenge purpose. So, a clear home medicine. We are still fulfilling or delivering on our campaign promises. In so no young, but a corruption. I am here cry for Belgian easy by. Oh, no, no, just some constitution. Said the Viazimi, and me at me, see a common penny better into fact, I shall farm for no wine and Adom. President Rollins, no, please. Orca, you know, say, ye come and ye kua, and one no quack. What one of my son child by Wakuko? I could run with that on your DC. Did you find the money ye? Rollins, why Canada? No, I could see. It's propaganda. I'm going to no other. Or yeah. Corruption. Into one example. Yes, Rollins. Well, no, your professor. It's a reacting. I want to program. One stock in trading. I could see. Did you find corruption? I could see no reason.
Then Rollins is Ukushina.
Oh, Yanuga.
What's it there?
No, Rollins.
What's it there? At what a paying at one of Mama. Why we Nanga? What's what going there? Nanga, you're trading now. No, that's one minute. Someone you do not mark with with on one. And then that's any message in paying. What's the kind of
I think Uncle Lotte point I was stating now. Hey, Bebu now.
Said that.
Sir, and Mama worry Nanga. It's a war. Na gabi a wuzu waka.
That's your problem. Emezi Rollins market of Musubayan.
Ono kan.
Hey, yo, Kofi.
Chief.
Yet to be more mampina. Oh no, one kind of our point on call for at any point in time. More feed there, a baby so do you need obey. See you no mampina point to my can't say that point. Oh, Chief, what's your problem? Ena 1.1. Oh, the baby feed them confused me you one. He doesn't owe any of us any
topic.
Explanation. You raise these issues. Let me deal with it.
What time, Ruko?
I thank you, pa. Why do you feel uncomfortable? What I'm saying?
Very comfortable.
Ain't he on my pain? No, why in our point? No, way you wait for. President Mahama did it. Kufuor did it. Rollins did it. President Mahama,
sack CEO sis at the stretch down.
But whether you sack or whatever, you have sacked. I prepare no MD for ECG. At Mensa, we are looking to win. Whatever it is,
6 at the goal.
So whatever you did, you sacked them. If you the vision where you want to go, this person may need him. But the main issue, no.
Good.
Kofi. Mo dwun ho amantase.
On your accomplice.
Ami. Emfizo fam kobena. Me fi de mintumi ngire moja no. Emu no bi mpepra mu titim tum kon. Se mu na mutase ndie se bona mi gwan. Mintumi ngina ho.
Na o yere ko wa.
Enti mintumi ngina ho poda.
Ozene sakata ne nwa.
Me kon bo from pa member. Musro. O the hospital me hospital ko.
I am when you say no obo da.
Oh chief. And Musro, and the Muso, my agricultures. To me, I'm
from darlings.
Me, I'm on point chat, me, and ye, me, and Coco, me, and ye. Me, uncle, because I see there was a time at UK. I don't quite ever buy. You know, but the one young Coco, one young and then what is Yerba Bay, or Wukuina. What you want one year the moon with son very soon. Because we've been what some other one. So I then, I essay. I mean, mo yimpa ho do nwoti mo yimpa nti maka je ntete anzo je yimpa nkwa obi oyar nkwa na se obi yar no was na ba a wo de yedam teman inyedam abadaze man ashana ma ese empanyi ho nti yimpa wan wewu ina ntete na aka je ebe faso na wa ba ebe dwune dzidzi because yen na won po yen fie. But that moment wa born also or pan no chere or bibi or pan is not to do na man ayarsa in san ye kura mposam pan yu a first edu botum zaman ni condition wetum stabilizing say na stabilize ni wi a chedo bia ha no wa ye menyammer but ahwe na bi mpan yi a say bi won fa no kwa baby dem na chai wo nyam de adwuma hwe de ase emra woduru wa no nurse ko ohu na no de ono kehye dem nurse ai ko trenu mo so wo choka that obi mu yara fo ji won kwa mo ze yara fo aba ehu ni ya na akehye dem ni dwani dzine de enyam na mpushi wo nyo be pio de ko want to be a nurse ko want to be a doctor. This is what we call the essential service. Acha the modern or the musunku. Because mistake ana tima enya na miribin omo obi wa hwe no nkwa. In obi so hwe no nkwa, there's nothing you can do to bring that person back to life. Same. Na yageke ken yaze bade obi bekno o de baby a na dom no wa bre odo staff no won won do na hwe workload na wa bre fine, but that's not an excuse. Until they do time if it was Cuba we train doctors more doors or one will be fearful in a one band over share over some for year. We've not got it to that stage. Same. But at least saying pano waba kakrabu to mine. Yeah. Oh the baby under the raise issue be about the dribia and I expire. I was will be pansy. These are some of the issues. And you know they are kakam. Man some experience be a minion. Oh, obi wa or nurse for our aba. Obe no onya experience for some time. Obi ba for nan was na amado hwen. No ke mistake. Moko wo panze antibiotic. Now the benzatin say was the still water mixer.
Yeah.
And the very thick. Nzie panze bia no tum offer. Nya panze no tum fo. Una offer panze no find I kete. Nechi also went or when no number.
Hey.
No, that one from because Benzatin, ni no was at the same time. It was one fan half. So the one we two. No, that one fan. A chance of blood transfusion kits in on the pan also. And the pan of quarter agent one John had three.
A bed out of
had three. And the Obum pan and man na pe usro. Na got as a boy a basse do no call. Is that when you pronounce a two? Is that one? You need to be very alert. When you're a nurse or a doctor, a dreamer, madam, or that shade, you read that mammy ye nine, those Yamazam nine, the expiry dates or today. But only now switch or board on how we get people into that profession. So, yeah, admission as you know, the screening on that. These are the people who are qualified to be there. And the man, you'll be losing people. Now, I back to Ishway King. 2016. There was a man in Kasobia.
I am marrying for this issue of the hospital, University of Ghana.
Maka. Man bia owo Kaswa, the neba when you brain tumor. Operating on Kolebu, and see no don't go review. About review no on your complication for person about query. Man who operates when you problem or also the same bed the man was being you never been to be over 19 years at that time no say a telecom investor says and a lot of people are here lose one because of bed in you na say Dr. Binokosi if we have an application but said that me here benku no nkrume we are about to be why can't we computerize our hospitals me who know ebia kolebu wo bed in you but as ko lekma bed ho as ko reja ebi ho and as ko ebi ho So that in conflict to one in circles no messy. We need to have
very good idea.
Yes, we need to have this thing in place. So I must say referral even though where the person is going. Empower. So because
Naija company be no
and I say whatever they say if it's good to
company no
in your politics. Look, Kofi, Papa, Okoriyo, Okowi.
Yeah.
Bisanka and will be sent there. The Wabra part and BNDC. And Sana, they didn't ask.
I'm not saying,
yes,
I'm not
so
saying
we
that.
tells you that this should be discussed.
Interconnectivity,
the word of politics.
Kenny GVG.
No. Let's get serious with this issue.
No, Kenny GVG. Interconnectivity.
Are you saying that we don't had? What's the problem with Kenny GVG? Minister Church, Bibiara, Madam, them are rolling second.
Yes, them
are rolling second. Rollins now
plug it into here.
Remember? Oh, Rollins are the kind of way you. Enti, Ovi, okay, we miss a name NDC. It's ultimate to me, ultimate to Bibiara, or the near discuss next year what you. But as we have His Excellency Nana Kufuor as president, on Trawo, no human Yamaban Cordon. Why be wash him? The man or Chivanican, why be wash him? You pay Biara, or the name Juma or Dunkoche, may yet to 1 year, Mopinya Shannon. Mr. One from Emraquando. Is it been happening? Echo, is it St. Gregory Hospitals as all war Budumo baby there as medical doctor. I'm fracking oxygen senator, Senema me. Only skins, my way too, my flew. None of one Ebratsman. Igmarian. These are people.
Doctor Funa have been weird troublesome. Obiaba Hospital Grana, Doctor Pero, or you know, Coco Tades, Mama. Madame Dote Papanya.
Oh, Smara,
so, any man should be feed the old baby. What bar? No way you watch it from time to I'm not causes so. So, all causes updates one in knowledge. So, why are we still having these problems? And Minister of Health, quite my menu. And you know, in my region, Wabaho, Waba visit facilities or we now, if we press conference.
We facilities in the beginning.
And then you can blame you and accuse him. The University of Ghana Medical Center. I'm not commission. No commission. And they say you now were in place. No. But even put in place are buying issues we're raising in hand. Why are they in Ethiopia? Why are they my grandfriend? I say, Marka, as you might do from near Bay, in your bayan or what's my
GCB Bank, your bank for life for Sika Kotoho, Nanyam Faswan in Sihupi. Cindy Rice, and Mopa, Winya dear Ebeboa on Wenya Wade, and Okolancha, Bisa Samui, Binian Wamonedi, and a Kawa Vita Rich. A bow anomnia yede in Ashenema and a progress savings and loans. So pese uko anymore. BS obanono. Progress savings and loans. Ye Juma esum eboa. Uncle I would say
Bakovi catch
attachments.
TG men's and there. Dobana was warm into Mumfu, or there was it be war. Ajima menu.
Oh,
no, all canon wash.
Any myself no America. Yeah, my men medical catch or there.
Oh yeah. You people should be serious.
I'm telling you.
You people should be serious.
No, Papa.
Yo, but about the topic you are.
Kalenwa just and 1 year. Sorry, to final comments.
Man, I don't consume coffee. Yeah, Maman Tassin. No more Maman Tassin there. Obi what critical condition. Doctor, nurse was near do. Nurse yanko for food and sana. Now I have a problem with it.
No, you're emergency.
Yes, emergency. If you what's the at least
judgments made us.
Yeah, the but it's a fact that there some attitudinal behavior on your various hospitals and on your
sure
it's not the best, and there should be a mechanism in place. Yeah, people will have to be punished for their irresponsibilities. Look. Oh yeah, yo, there extra mommy. obi ni lifeline ewa de nuku ni tase ane ne papa tase a onyima za papa no ye man hwa papa fu bi wo ho ma onye ahunyo na de ne ba asem bi tuna awie chichi pause ba man ne ban. It is enough. And it's so painful what we call separation. Though yes, it is nature. Nyankopon ashishe nkwa no. Ami makade bibiala wesi biala yemfa mewrade. For whom whoever will be found guilty by the judgment seat of God will be punished. But because we are human beings and we have our weaknesses, my to me years soon because separation ye show. And see, Messer, I'm my wife or a deputy director of nursing.
Okay.
My wife, Obia Butumaji, my wife, Desi, when you go to Central Regional Hospital, she doesn't joke with the patient. Ha, itumu da wa manchi no wa ringi no wakadam. Obutuka wako. I always pray for her. And so I hope there, once you have entered into that profession, once you have entered into that profession, you should know your responsibility, that you are a disciple of Christ. I mean, that is how I see it. Senior medical field in the pay laboratory technology, so nurse you as health assistant, you have signed a contract with God to take care of the children of God. And he said, "The one inherent character, as if from a man who pair." No, Marty.
Ajapra, ofutu ade betwato.
Quickly, now you can University of Ghana medical, you know, and Sanama Bafuto, no, just brief. No, the aware. The University of Ghana, you know, 4 key things are oba out there. Onuntina won't me umboy the facility no. No, you can ha. Yes, one. Outstanding payments or they $9.8 million. I'm a contractor. 2 meba Messi delay no abedintino delay 2 also the issue of security na a very paramount na abani ba ye no abani I can't there 8 years old. Omampeni Mahamadim Ricardo Okoboya no oya where them some of the equipment medical equipment now they were not in place. But they were not in place. Mbocho 1 year. And 3 and it was issue of staffing. Anything na share a year what the man Mbocho certificate now what the man University of Ghana was a partial certificate. Do you have anything like partial completion certificate? Even University of Ghana has a partial completion certificate. And now you watching on your construction. And a Ridge Hospital. There, Oman Mahama. What's now? Oko commission Ridge Hospital. Them done our commission Nankasa. Na if one mason form. Na electrician form. No won't be that. Oh yeah, propagandist commission because now on the 6th of December 70 year kwatwaba into the American there hospitals and as apomdinsem no or your nimpa ne life into the best yenu anoma where nurses doctors minute treatments are or can sembi are very good. Another thing I'm putting the trod in there in there no what you call WhatsApp groups and even medical practitioners and professionals now and doctors in the crown.
Even administrators
they can
of the
even
various
come
hospitals
together. I just say now a team ABA made the mass say or ABA award then mpa another way yeah. Until then we can network, which is very critical. Young Chanama a nimni nurse uncle Okona when you be a
Medasi David.
Abano I born home modern or the health health insurance ni ye kama sisi ano ambulance services nso no why kama go to Lawrence
no sasa bonzambo no bubofu
one thing na proud of you Ghana food hospital. I will use one health insurance. Ghana food do no work hospital oh some alcohol. And he said e banas I will recandle BBI fine.
But health insurance they $11,000 yes obi 480 I'm 25 cities.
Bra we
mad
University of Ghana hospital security ni ho 9 point something won't you contractor I workers in you how obey juma wala dem asem yen ken
message delay until na wa set committee that is what I'm saying
they rule bobo they rule because Ghana fruits to go do them ho adwuma mo ye it is employment
many about invest baby I employ baby
it is a secret you ho na ye me adwuma nkasa o
yapon
better
MTN shares, Bomadiana Jewodier, 75 pesos per share. You need a minimum of 10 purchase. Run it to 7 cities, 50 pesos. Bomadiana, I'll bet me the mobile money at to be. Now, it to me up wow. So, we are nurse and a doctor now, you may, yeah. I don't pay your mouth.